Political violence is the focus once again. This time, Mamata Banerjee squarely levelling allegations against the BJP in Tripura. The BJP has put the onus on the Trinamool instead. 14 Trinamool workers were arrested for alleged COVID violations and later released on bail. The Trinamool says they were attacked and injured. They blame Home Minister Amit Shah. Here are the developments and then we debate.
163 kilometers from the capital city of Imphal in Tripura, in the town of Dharmanagar, TMC banners were ripped apart in the office, vandalized. What ensued was a series of clashes between Trinamool Congress and BJP, forcing the police to charge batons and fire tear gas to bring the situation under control. The Trinamool Congress has alleged 2 of its workers have been injured. And as Mamata Banerjee met the injured workers of her party who were brought to Kolkata, she leveled some serious allegations against the BJP.
বিজেপির যে কোনো রাজ্যে আসামে দেখেছেন আমাদের লোকেদের পাঠিয়েছে ঢুকতে দেওয়া হয়নি এয়ারপোর্ট থেকে ফিরিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে যখন এনআরসির সময় আমি পাঠিয়েছিলাম উত্তরপ্রদেশে হাতরাসে ঘটনা ঘটেছিল আমি একটা এমপিদের টিম পাঠিয়েছিলাম তাদের এয়ারপোর্টের বাইরে তাদের ঢুকতেই দেওয়া হয়নি এমনকি ত্রিপুরায় যারা গেছে পর দেখেছেন অভিষেক গেছে ওর গাড়িতে যেভাবে মারা হয়েছে পরে ওরা অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেশন থেকে একটা বুলেট প্রুফ কার্ড দিয়েছিল তাহলে যদি এবং কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের স্বরাষ্ট্রমন্ত্রীর নির্দেশে হয়েছে
Last week, her nephew and National General Secretary of the Trinamool Congress, Abhishek Banerjee, tweeted a video an alleged attack on his convoy.
How BJP is attacking my car. They have attacked with sticks, iron rods. They have left no stone unturned to make sure that I don't go back from the land of Tripura in my own feet. They have exposed their model of hooliganism, and democracy is in shatters. Democracy is in peril.
A week later, political violence has become the narrative in Tripura.
That our Home Minister, Honorable Amit Shah ji, is behind any kind of political unrest or violence in any state. This allegation, I think, is a preposterous allegation. And it has hurt the decorum of Indian polity, the system of Indian politics and democratic norms.
What's happening in Tripura is a reminder of what happened earlier this year in Bengal just before the elections, when BJP alleged attacks by the Trinamool Congress as a revenge of the elections. And with the TMC now looking to expand its footprint beyond Bengal to Tripura, charges and counter-charges are flying thick and fast. So what's the truth behind the violence? Let's debate.
Sanju Verma is debating with Professor Om Prakash Mishra. Sanju Verma, you know, there are visuals of the clashes which have taken place. Trinamool leaders are bruised, injured and bleeding. You answer that question. Don't give me the history of what happened to BJP workers in Bengal because that can be your probable opening comment. I don't want to talk about that now. I want to talk about Tripura. The pictures are ghastly.
Okay.
The pictures have been shared by Abhishek Banerjee. You need to take responsibility.
I want to, let me complete. Let me make it very clear to you that Abhishek Banerjee and 14 other people, including Devanshu Bhattacharya, Tanya Podar, Jaya Datta, these are people against whom an FIR has been lodged. The FIR number is 3912021, dated the 7th of August. And let me tell you,
I'm talking about the violence.
Deputy Magistrate, please let
I'm
me
talking
complete.
about the violence on.
You don't need to speak
Listen.
You don't need to
listen.
be a
When you talk about the violence on BJP workers in Bengal, we raise questions to the Trinamool. Now there is violence on Trinamool leaders. The cars in their windshield of their cars are damaged. The glass is shattered. They are bleeding. You
Why
can't say I
are
don't
you
care.
rattled? Can I finish?
Are you doing a tit
Can
for
I
tat?
finish? No. Let me complete.
I'm not rattled. I'm
The
only asking you a
DCM,
question.
The
I'm saying,
DCM
why are you not taking any responsibility?
Why are you interrupting me, Arna? Why are you interrupting me? You can't digest the truth. Let me tell you what happened. If
No,
you
I'm not
go to
interrupting.
anyone
No,
in
one second.
Tripura-
Calm down. I'm not interrupting. I'm giving you counter questions. I'm the anchor of the
You
show.
are not
I'm going to
allowing me
counter you.
even answer.
Yeah.
Your questions cannot be so
No,
lengthy that you don't give me a chance to
one
respond.
second. No,
Can I
one
finish,
second.
please?
I will
You
ask
asked
you the
enough
question
questions.
20 times if you're not answering.
No,
I'm
so
saying,
let me
I'm
finish.
saying who attacked the Trinamool leaders?
Can I please finish? I was
Who
coming
attacked
to
the
that.
Trinamool leaders? Who attacked them?
Yes, so let me tell you that who attacked them. Nobody attacked them. The police have filed a case of hooliganism, a case of vandalism under Section 51 of the Disaster Management Act, under Section 8 of the National Highway Act, and under Section 3 of the Epidemic Management Act. So the point is that no less than the DCM, Navabrata Datta of Ambassa, has said that he and his people at the police station in Ambassa were roughed up by Abhishek Banerjee. The chairs, tables of the police station were vandalized, broken. Then the entire Trinamool gang of goons sat on highway number 8, blocking the entire convoy of people who wanted to travel to and fro. So tell me that first the Trinamool Congress blocks National Highway 8. Then they go to the Ambassa police station. There Abhishek Banerjee roughs up the policemen and speaks to them in unparliamentary language. Why should the BJP-led Biplab Dev government not book them under the Epidemic Diseases Act, not book them under the National Highway Act? COVID protocols have to be adhered to, otherwise Arnab Goswami is the journalist who will start, screaming from every rooftop, oh, the BJP failed to prevent the third wave coming. Are the COVID protocols not applicable to TMC goons like Devashish Bhattacharya, to Tanya Padar, to Jaya Datta? Are these people above the law?
I'll let Professor Om Prakash Mishra come in, but I don't accept the argument that nobody. You see, you can talk about the circumstances leading to it, and I think it's his turn now. You can talk about the circumstances leading to it. Application of COVID rules is good, but if it's a response to a political situation, then it's not good. Second point, you can't say nobody attacked them. Professor Mishra's turn to respond. Sanju, thank you. Professor Mishra, Sanju, please. Professor Mishra is responding, and Sanju, listen to the response. Thank you, Professor Mishra. Professor Mishra, is this a political bogey before the elections? The argument is that you are instigating violence.
Thank you very much.
You are staging a drama, the BJP says.
Arnav,
did you assault the police officer at Ambassa police
thank you
station
very
or
much
not?
for bringing this
Abhishek
topic.
Banerjee
Can
and
I speak, please?
The
What is
police
this?
officers at Ambassa
What
police
is
station
this?
or not? That is the moot point. Why did you block highway number 8? That is the second point. Can you deny that an FIR has been filed against you and your goons?
Let him speak,
will
please.
you
You've
keep
been
quiet
speaking
now?
for 5
Will
minutes.
you
Now
keep
it's time to
quiet now?
respond. Thank you.
Please.
Thank you. Go on, Professor Mishra.
Arnav, thank you very much. Yours is one channel that has decided to highlight the attack on the Trinamool Congress leadership, Trinamool Congress activists, and our
There
common
was no
supporter
attack
and
on
common
Trinamool
people
Congress leaders.
of Tripura by
Abhishek
BJP.
Banerjee is lying.
Will this lady
Can
keep
Arnab
quiet?
Goswami
Will this leader?
stand here and say that he's very confident
अरे
that
यार,
Abhishek
चुप करो
Banerjee
तुम।
will attack? मैं चुप नहीं करूंगी.
And
This is not West
and
Bengal.
the
जहाँ
home-
BJP कार्यकर्ताओं की आवाज को
Arnav, what
बंद
is
करो.
this?
Be ashamed of yourself.
अरे यार,
Okay, now Sanju, you know what? You get very irritated. You get very irritated and you make very unnecessarily aggressive counters. Now hear the other side. What is your problem? No, you can't continuously speak over him, please, even if you completely. Now hear him. You be brave enough to hear the response and then you respond. Thank you. Professor Mishra's turn. Thank you. Thank you now, please. What's the need for this? Come on.
Is this proper?
Professor Mishra, continue. Sanju Verma, please be quiet.
This is what you wanted to do in Bengal. We have paid back you.
You have
So listen quietly.
mutilated, raped,
Trinamool Congress,
BJP
Trinamool
women.
Congress
And
leadership
Arnab
and
Goswami
common
did not
people have
do
been
any
attacked.
debate on the
Democracy
post-poll
is
Bengal
under
violence.
attack. And
I
so
say that loud
therefore,
and clear.
we are going to
Arnab
keep on
Goswami
going
did
to
not do a
Tripura.
single
We are
debate
going
on the
to
post-poll
scare
Bengal
the
violence
people
on the
there.
3rd of
Thank you,
May,
Sanju. Volume down.
2021.
I'm going to let Professor Mishra speak. Sanju, please.
What do you think? See,
Why will you attack policemen and then you expect that
Three-
you will be allowed to go scot-free?
three different
Tripura is not a banana
cases have
republic,
been
nor is India a
registered
banana
against the
republic.
Trinamool Congress activists and leadership. And it was only because of our National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee, who is a second-time member of parliament. And he declared that he is not going to leave Tripura unless everybody is granted the bail. And that has to be done by the Tripura administration. There is a pattern
You
of
are the
violence
one who
against
attacked the
opposition in
policemen.
Tripura.
You are the one who
And
sat on highway
CPIM and the Congress
Your party
party
is a bunch of
activists,
goons.
they have actually been the victim. We are the victim and you are the goons. And it is Mr. Amit Shah, it is the Ministry of Home Affairs. They have directed this. And the Tripura administration had to sit
Your
back
Mamata
and they
Banerjee,
had to let these people
Abhishek
come
Banerjee,
out. They are student leaders. They are youth leaders.
follow the
And they have
politics of
actually...
Gundaism,
You go and
hooliganism,
speak to Mr. Amit Shah.
intimidation.
I am
How dare
putting the
you
blame
say
on
that
Mr. Amit Shah.
was
He is the
involved?
one.
Your DD
Biplab Dev does not
fascist.
have the courage.
Arre,
Mr.
suniye.
Biplab Dev does
You
not
will
have the
not come
courage.
back to power
They
in
have
Tripura.
gone and tried to
If
do
you
it against the
make law in your
CPM and
hands,
against the
you will be
Congress.
arrested.
But if this is a
If you
Trinamool
block
Congress,
the
we are
highway,
going to
there will be an
pay you
FIR
back
that
in
will
your
be
own
filed.
coin.
If you intimidate
आपकी
police
गुंडागर्दी
officer,
समझ के नहीं
you will be
चलेगी.
arrested.
आसाम में आपने किया है,
आपके
आपने
अभिषेक
उत्तर
बनर्जी
प्रदेश में
राजा
किया
हरीश
है,
नहीं है।
त्रिपुरा में
और
आपको
आपकी
जवाब
ममता
दिया है,
बनर्जी,
दूसरे जगह पे
she
आपको
even
जवाब देंगे.
threatened
और
the National Human Rights Commission.
आप अपना
Shame
होम
on
मिनिस्टर
you.
को जाके बोलिए.
Your
Hey, communal
Mamata
element.
Banerjee and a goon
You are a
attack
communal
Rakesh
element.
Rashid, a
आप लोगों
member
को
of the
लोगों को
National
खून
Human
करते
Rights
हैं,
Commission.
लोगों
और
को
आप
खून
यहाँ पर
करते
आकर
हैं.
भाषण दे रहे हो.
दिल्ली का दंगा
जाइए.
ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. दंगाई पार्टी
अरे
है,
भैया,
सांप्रदायिक पार्टी
your
है
West Bengal
और देश
under
के लिए
Mamata
खतरनाक
Banerjee
पार्टी है.
was number one
पाकिस्तानों
in
का
communal
दलाल है
rights
आप.
the last 10
हाँ,
years.
चीन के दलाल है और ये दलाली नहीं
सुनिए,
चलेगा.
जितना
और
चिल्लाना है,
तृणमूल
चिल्ला
कांग्रेस
लो.
सामने आके लड़ेगी.
You will not
आप लोग
come back to
पाकिस्तान के
power
दलाल है,
ever in Tripura.
ISI का दलाल है और ये कम्युनल रायट
जो
करवाते हो.
बोलना है बोलिए.
त्रिपुरा में जवाब
The
दिया है
fact
और
is Abhishek
ज्यादा
Banerjee
लोग जाएंगे और
and his
ज्यादा वहां पर
goons
मजबूती से
tried to
ट्रिब्यूनल
take the
बनेगी.
law and
आसाम
order
में
machinery
बनेगी,
in their
दूसरे जगह में
hands by
बनेगी.
blocking the
क्या
national
सोचती हो आप
highway in
लोग?
Tripura.
What does
And the
the
Tripura
BJP
police
think of
administration
themselves?
taught them a lesson
और
which
आप
they
लोग-
will not
आप अपने आप
forget.
को बहुत बहादुर
Now
समझते
Abhishek
हो.
Banerjee is
सामने आके
crying and
मुकाबला किया
whining
था.
on Twitter.
बंगाल में मुंह
Mamata
की
Didi
खानी
is
पड़ेगी
whining
नहीं.
on Twitter.
और
जितना
यहाँ
रोना है, रो
पर
लो.
यहाँ त्रिपुरा में भी मुंह की खानी पड़ेगी.
रोइए,
2023 में आप लोगों का
रोइए.
सुपड़ा साफ होने वाला है.
बहुत
उत्तर
अच्छा
प्रदेश में
लगा
नेक्स्ट ईयर
देखकर
होगा,
कि त्रिपुरा
आसाम
की
में भी
पुलिस
बाद
ने
में
अपनी
होगा,
हालत खराब की है.
2023 में त्रिपुरा में होगा, गोवा में
अभिषेक
हारोगी.
बनर्जी जैसे
बहुत
गुंडों की
बुरी हालत
हालत
होने
खराब
वाली
की है
है
त्रिपुरा की
बीजेपी
पुलिस ने.
की. और दंगाइयों की पार्टी है.
आप
दंगाइयों की
देवांशु
स्पोक्सपर्सन
भट्टाचार्य,
हो आप
he's
और
caught
दूसरों
on
को
camera
डिस्टर्ब
saying
करती
he
हो.
faked his
Very
injury.
unladylike behavior. Very unladylike behavior. You are a
And your
communal
Mamata
element.
Banerjee-
And
You are a
Sanjana
communal element.
and Sanjana Bhandarkar writes tonight. These are some messages from Ornav Online. Sanjana Bhandarkar writes, "It's my hope that your channel as the fourth pillar of democracy relentlessly continues to compel the people in power to hold themselves sincerely responsible to the one they serve, the people of the country, come what may. And that you keep pursuing issues that matter and are of interest to the common people." Thank you, Sanjana. Thank you so much. Devanshi Khanna says, "The coverage of Olympic superstars by Republic is amazing, with so much of enthusiasm. Hats off to that." She writes a lot more, but thank you very much, Devanshi. And Aditri Koshalappa says, "Hi Arnab sir, it's so good to see you on the debate today. The Latvians media and the opposition should stop acting like hypocrites just because the Prime Minister encouraged the sports persons. It's high time for us to be recognized as a multi-sport country." Fantastic debate. Thank you very much, Aditri. And we are constantly making innovations and reaching out to many more people, including very soon I'll share much more of how you can reach us through the digital medium. Till tomorrow evening at 9. Thank you for watching. Good night and goodbye.